Navigating multiple Snapchat accounts. Yes or no?
Hello and welcome to our discussion today where we delve into the possibilities of Snapchat, the popular social media platform. A question that often comes up is it possible to have multiple Snapchat accounts logged in on the same device? Well, let's get into it.
Can you have multiple Snapchat accounts?
The direct answer is yes, you can create multiple Snapchat accounts. Snapchat does not limit the number of accounts that you can create. This could be useful for those wanting to separate personal and professional lives or to just have different accounts for different groups of friends. However, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Snapchat doesn't support simultaneous login for multiple accounts on the same device. You will need to log out of one account and log back in with another each time you want to switch between accounts.
How can you switch between accounts?
While Snapchat does not allow simultaneous logins, switching between accounts is straightforward. Here's a simple step-by-step process. 1. Open Snapchat on your device. 2. Tap your Bitmoji or the profile icon in the upper left corner. 3. Tap the gear icon in the upper right corner to open the settings menu. 4. Scroll down and tap Log Out. This will log you out of your current account. 5. Log in with your other account's credentials. This allows you to switch between accounts. Remember, always keep track of your usernames and passwords when you are managing multiple accounts.
Are there other ways?
Although Snapchat does not inherently support multiple accounts being logged in simultaneously, there are a few workarounds that tech-savvy users have found. One method is using a clone app to duplicate Snapchat, resulting in 2 instances of Snapchat on the same device, each with a different account logged in. However, please note that these methods might violate Snapchat's terms of service and could potentially lead to your accounts being locked or banned. Proceed with caution if you choose to explore these options. So, while it is possible to create and manage multiple Snapchat accounts, as of the latest update in 2021, it's not possible to be logged into more than one account simultaneously on a single device. You can easily switch between accounts though. And while there are workarounds that allow for simultaneous logins, these methods could potentially lead to complications with Snapchat's terms of service. Hopefully, this information clarifies how Snapchat handles multiple accounts. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to stay safe online.